Jam who practice Islam. We are in the house of Sarifas. I followed her when I heard that she might be losing her house. Why? Because she cannot pay back her monthly payment. She owes at least $50. She has to pay at least $50 per month because she owes to 3 different microfinance institutions. There is no way she can even pay $1 per day. They've been living here with many generations. From her father, they're fisher folks. Now they're hit by floods, year after year. This year's flood is even more serious. She worries so much about making a monthly payment. For the past 2 weeks, she has not made one single penny. She's worried that they might even possess her house, and that will be the end of this family with 14 members. Again, we're talking about floods. But what is the real cause? One of the main causes in Cambodia of floods, inundation, serious drought. Of course, it's about climate change, but at the same time, Cambodia is caught in trouble. Over 1 million hectares of land, of forest, have been given as economic concessions to companies who actually are here to cut down the forest of Cambodia. The royal government of Cambodia, at this moment, is still closing its eyes to people like Sarifas. The Red Cross has not come here. No one has come here. But Sarifas is here to face the possession of her home. As a member of parliament, I feel responsible, I am responsible for bringing her voice and the voice of hundreds and thousands of people like her, of Sarifas, who ask for justice, who ask for a break. So as a member of parliament, I will write a letter to these financial institutions to ask for a waiver, to ask that they reconsider their policy. It is not giving credit alone. It has to be a credit policy that will be helping, that can help the poor. Credit is now not just credit for the poor, to help the poor, but it's now a commercial, it's now a bank, a commercial bank. It is cutting the throats of the poor. This is floods period, therefore the financial institutions must be coming to assess their policy and the impact of the floods on the families like the family of Sarifas.